So we just created a very accurate and stylistic presentation using Claude for PowerPoint that used the data that I already had in my Claude for Excel, then used connectors to get more context and built this whole presentation. In this quick video, we're going to talk about huge productivity gains for making spreadsheets and presentations using AI, specifically Claude for Excel and Claude for PowerPoint. They both got huge upgrades. All the features, everything's coming together now. It's extremely powerful. It will save a lot of time and it's worth knowing about. Because AI finally got good at creating presentations. And I'm not talking about Gamma, I'm not talking about Copilot, I'm not talking about Google Slides. This is a follow-up to my previous video on Claude for Excel because Claude for PowerPoint is really powerful and hugely overlooked. And up until now, AI hasn't really been that good at it. But I actually want to go back to Claude for Excel for a second because now Claude for PowerPoint and Claude for Excel can talk to each other. Meaning if you have data and spreadsheets, you could have Claude for PowerPoint and Claude for Excel work together. It's so powerful. If you don't have Claude for Excel or Claude for PowerPoint yet, you just press the add-ins and you search for Claude. I already have mine installed and logged in. And once it's installed, you'll see this new button, Claude. So check this out. So now Claude for Excel also has the ability to use connectors, also known as MCP, meaning you could connect your external data sources relevant to your business or use case and have it imported and added directly to Excel, as well as skills. I'll get more into that later. And it also has this new feature, connected files. And this is where Excel and PowerPoint will talk to each other. So to turn this on, you go to settings and you see this new thing called Let Claude Work Across Files. And you should see both Claude for Excel and Claude for PowerPoint turned on. By the way, you'll see Claude for Word here as well. This was actually just announced, meaning Claude for Word is also coming very soon. And if we open up PowerPoint, we see the same thing. We see I also have the Claude tab, and in settings, we also see that I have Let Claude Work Across Files turned on. Now, one thing I want to point out here is you also see custom instructions. So besides skills, we give Claude extra prompts or extra instructions of how to get things done. You can also give custom instructions that will work in every single instance of Claude for PowerPoint or Claude for Excel. I personally like making custom skills because sometimes different PowerPoints need to do different things. You can see all my skills here. These are skills that I installed for Claude AI. And here's a skill I made just for PowerPoint. So PowerPoint knows how I like my presentations. So we're on a blank presentation right now. I just want to show you how powerful this is with Excel, just so you can see this in action. So let me just make a presentation about my EDC bag. This is my EDC, my everyday carry bag. As an EMT, as someone that's been in and out of hospitals, and also someone that's always working, I carry a lot of things in it. The loadout changes all the time, but I'm just going to make a presentation based on what's in here. So I have an idea. I'm going to open this bag and show you what's in it and dictate simultaneously to Claude in Claude for Excel. And then we're going to have Claude for PowerPoint take that information and make a presentation about it. So now we're in Claude for Excel. We're going to call this EDC bag. And we're going to open up a blank section. And I'm just going to dictate really quickly about this bag. Very basic stuff. Okay. So this is my EDC bag. It's the Rework Toshi 6 liter. This is my current loadout, what's in it right now. The first thing is the hero hook. So I could hook onto anything that was hooked here. In the front pouch, I have my everyday toolkit. This goes with me in every bag. In it, I have a flashlight, a 6-in-1 cord, a lighter, a very awesome multi-tool, a pill box, and a pen. Oh, and I also have this extra chargeable battery that I added Velcro to the back so I could just put it on here. And then I could just take all this and put it in whatever bag I'm using. I also have this MagSafe wallet. I also have a MagSafe ring that I could just put on the back of my phone. Inside I have my iPad Pro 11-inch with a keyboard case, non-official, not from Apple. I like to be able to work outside but not bring my whole computer, but not use my phone. I think that the iPad with a keyboard is a happy medium. Still pretty big though. I have another MagSafe item. This is a MagSafe tripod. I think you can tell I like MagSafe. I have a longer USB-C cable. I have this little tiny charging brick that charges at 45 watts. I have a little notebook so I can write my notes in. And I have these clip-on polarized sunglasses so I don't have to carry around 2 pairs of glasses. Lastly, I have hand sanitizer and wet wipes. Oh, and one thing I forgot to add was this 10,000 milliampere battery that comes with a cable as well. So I guess third cable in the bag. Okay, so I just dictated the whole thing. So now what I want Claude for PowerPoint to do is to add each item to its own row in this Excel sheet. Okay, so just to give it more context, I'm going to give it the URLs for most of these items so that I could do research and maybe understand how I use them. So I'm just going to paste it in here. And I'm just going to say the first column should be a generic name and then the URL. So I'm going to send it off and let it do its work. And because it has access to tools like search the web, it will be able to go and get all the information. Okay, it finished, and then I had to clean up a bit. It's very basic. We don't want to spend too much time on this. I just want to show you how they interact. Now let's open up PowerPoint again. Now I'm just going to dictate to Claude. I want you to look at the open sheet in Excel and look at all the items and create a PowerPoint based on my EDC, my daily carry bag. I want the presentation to be minimalistic. Each item should have its own slide. I don't want you to use the actual names of the products, but I want you to use the names in the generic name column. You can use the URLs to get more information about these items. The slides should be minimal and leave room for me to add images. Great, so now we're just going to send that off. Now here's the cool thing. So it says, I'm going to start by checking the Excel agent's data to get all the EDC items before building the presentation. And we see it was able to pull all those items from Excel. So this is a very basic example, but I just want you to see the power of combining a Claude agent in PowerPoint with a Claude agent in Excel. Both of them are extremely powerful on their own, but now they can work together and it will make any presentation or Excel sheet super powerful. Let's just let it go. And as you see here, it has all the steps. So I'm going to come back when it's done. Okay, great. Just finished. It took some time, but I'll explain to you what you missed. First of all, because it has access to connectors, specifically Bright Data, it was able to look at all these items on Amazon and their respective websites and get further context about what they do. And you'll see that in a second. It also asked me some clarifying questions about who I am, why I have this bag. And keep in mind, this was just done in one shot. I didn't even edit it. I just asked it if it wanted to ask me any follow-up questions. So let's just close this out now and take a look. I'd say that this whole process took about 20 to 30 minutes. But that's because I told it to go out and get context about all of these items. So let's just look at it really quickly. We got the sling, the flashlight, the cable, the multi-tool. Pretty much took everything in order and gave everything its own slide, just like I asked it to do. As we see here on the right, it has room for images. I didn't tell it to go get images just because I want to make sure that I don't overuse Claude for this video. The Claude usage limits have been really weird lately, but that's a whole nother topic. So the pen, for example, I didn't tell it anything about how I use it. I gave it the URL so it could do some research on it. The reason I liked it is because it's small and it fits in my everyday little toolkit. As you see here, it says retractable, right? The reason I got this one is because it gets really small, but writing with small pens are kind of annoying. And this one becomes a full-size pen when you flip it over. Anyways, you see here retractable. I think it's really cool that it went and did the research and ended up doing the research about every single item. And I specifically told it not to give the item names because I'm not an EDC channel. I'm not promoting any of these items. I just wanted it to get the generic idea. So just looking at this in one shot, I think it came out pretty good. And then it listed all the items on the final page. Now keep in mind, this is just a very basic example, but the point of the story is you can take an existing PowerPoint or existing data or literally an empty slate and dictate to Claude within PowerPoint or within Excel and have it build out these things for you. And it does it stylistically and it asks you clarifying questions, and you can have it look at other sources of data like an Excel sheet or do a basic web search or use connectors to get even more data. You can give it all your skills that you already have set up via Claude. You can very easily create a skill that covers the way you or your company likes to do spreadsheets so that it's able to reference that and do it exactly how you like. Because we all know what it's like to create a PowerPoint from scratch. We all know what it's like to create a spreadsheet from scratch. I'm pretty sure to this point we all have tried creating spreadsheets or presentations with AI and it hasn't been that good, but Claude for Excel changes all that. And what that means to me is soon it won't only be Claude that's able to do this. I'm sure ChatGPT will be good at this. I'm sure that Gemini will be good at this. Anthropic is just the trailblazer. It goes without saying that this video is not sponsored in any way. I just think that this is so powerful, and a lot of the gains with AI come to AI coding and AI development. But Claude for Excel and Claude for PowerPoint really show the power of Claude in tools that many people use every day. And you can only imagine how powerful this will be with your own data, with your own skills, for your work or for your education. This will save so much time. It is so powerful. So I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. If you have any questions or feedback, drop it in the comments below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. It really helps me grow. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.